So, hindi kailangang measurable ng any performance matrix as if performance appraisal sa isang corporation, sa isang corporate setup, yung growth mo para masabi mong naggo-grow ka. Welcome to the Brewing a Better You podcast. This is Reuel, and this podcast is about the realities, self-worth, life experiences, lessons, and everything in between of 30-somethings, shared by someone who's navigating life blindly in his 30s, and with the help of stories from others, because at the end of the day, you don't need to have it all figured out. And so we're now on our episode 18, and this topic, our topic for today, medyo nandun tayo ngayon. Kasi, ayun, have you ever felt even if you're showing up every day, you're doing your best, but it feels like parang wala namang nangyayari. I mean, it's like you're having a pause. And you're not failing, and you're not behind. And maybe that pause is exactly where you need to be. So, let's be honest, now that we're in our 30s, and paulit-ulit ko tong sinasabi sa ating podcast, pressure talaga now you're in your 30s. Kasi by this age, our society, in-expect na dapat alam mo na yung ginagawa mo. You have things figured out. You have a stable career, you have your own place, maybe you have a family, or at least a clearer direction compared on your 20s. Pero paano kung wala? Paano kung hindi? Yun. And napapansin mo ngayon, lahat ng mga tao sa paligid mo are moving ahead. They're being promoted, they have their own businesses, they travel, they have their milestones. Pero ikaw, you're still figuring things out. And doon ka mapapaisip, may problema ba? May problema ba sa akin? May mali ba akong ginawa before? Kaya hindi nagko-connect lahat today. Am I falling behind? So here's what I learned recently is that just because you don't see any progress doesn't mean that life is over. And sometimes the most important growth happens in silence, in the waiting, in those moments like it feels walang nangyayari. Kasi ang totoo niyan, mukhang pine-prepare ka lang sa next season mo. So, a quick backstory sa saan to nanggaling, bakit ito yung naging topic, is that last Saturday, I have my LST, so long slow distance for my marathon training. And then nung Sunday, dun pumitik yung calf ko, yung left calf ko. So, sobrang sakit niya na akala mo nirarayuma eh. Hirap maglakad, hirap maghagdan. Akala ko talaga tapos na yung training ko for my marathon. Pero nung nag-check ako sa Google, I asked my co-running friends, stiff lang, tight lang yung calf ko and I need to strengthen it more and also to release yung tightness niya, to stretch it more. And dun ko naisip na kailangan ko babaan yung weekly mileage ko sa training. So in short, pause muna, or actually, hindi nga lang siya pause eh. Umikli yung weekly mileage na pwede kong i-train. So, I almost felt now, stop na siya. Stop na yung training natin. Pero dun ko na-realize na kailangan ko siyang ma-experience kasi I have to prepare myself for the next version. So, dun din na, when it comes to adulting, when it comes to our realities in life, sometimes life slows you down because it's protecting you going to the wrong direction. Or it's teaching you life lessons na hindi mo mapapansin if you keep on rushing and keep on pushing through. And maybe it's telling you that maybe you're already tired and you need to breathe, you need to pause, or maybe you've been running on autopilot and it's time to realign. Saan nga ba ulit ako papunta? So I remember a season when I felt exactly like that sa work ko. Okay naman yung work, tuloy-tuloy pa din yung clients, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung meetings, natutulungan ko yung mga kliyente ko, pero I didn't feel inspired. It's like parang, so what? Parang ganun nangyari. Gigising sa umaga, nasusunod yung mga to-dos ko, pero hindi ako na-excite. Ayun, parang wala akong nilook forward. Basta okay, boy ako. And for a while, I really hated it kasi I really like what happened during my 20s. Ang dami kong na-achieve more than what I expect myself to achieve. Pero ngayong nasa 30s na, parang bumagal siya. And it's like I'm running in circles. So it took me time before ko ma-realize na maybe this pause is a must for me to give me time to reflect, to rest, and to remind myself, sino nga ba ulit ako outside sa mga naging achievements ko noong 20s. And that pause helped me to force myself to find sino ulit ako. So here's what I want you to remember. You don't have to be in full motion all the time. You don't need to feel you're growing visibly para makita mong nag-grow ka talaga. Para malaman mo nag-grow ka. Kasi yung growth, internal din yan minsan. So, hindi kailangang measurable ng any performance matrix as if performance appraisal sa isang corporation, sa isang corporate setup, yung growth mo, para masabi mong nag-grow ka. As long as you keep on showing up, you're still in the game, you still have a chance to grow, and you might not see the progress yet, but you're becoming the kind of person that you need to be so that you can handle what you've been praying for. Same goes with my marathon journey. Buti na lang talaga hindi siya naging muscle tear or else ilan weeks tayo nakapos sa training. At least ako, feeling ko makabalik na ako by tomorrow. And this season in training, sa training ko, helped me realize that yung performance matrix na nasa isip ko for my marathon journey, which is yung weekly mileage, is not always the case to measure where am I in my journey. Kasama din yung pag-pause na ito kasi I have to prepare myself for the next challenges that I might face on the next phases of the journey. And that's what matters. So if you're right now, you're showing up, looks like punta lang ng work, even if hindi mo siya feel, if hindi mo alam anong katuturan ng mga pinagagawa mo, taking care of yourself, little by little, or maybe spending quiet nights, reassessing yourself, journaling yourself about thinking about your next move. That's still progress. Wala man visible measurement para makita mo nag-progress ka, but still you're progressing. Bakit? Kasi showing up because showing up, especially when you don't feel like it, is a sign of strength. It's you saying, teka lang, nandito pa rin ako. Di pa ako gumigive up. Kasi nga, hindi pwede ang mahinang nilalang sa mundong ito. And you showing up means that malakas ka. So, you see, life isn't just about moving forward. It's not always about progressing. It's about becoming ready for what's next, for your next version. And this is also part of what I usually share about self-leadership. And sometimes, before you evolve, kailangan meron tanggalin sa life mo. And for you to know ano yung kailangan tanggalin, you have to reassess yourself. You have to know more about yourself. Baka kasi ready na lahat. Yung skills mo, yung mindset mo, pero meron ka palang kailangan tanggalin sa sarili mo Maybe ito yung habits or skills, or maybe tao. Same goes with sa work. Before ka ma-promote, you have to prepare. So if you think about it, nature works the same way. Mga puno, hindi naman yan palagi nag-grow, di ba? There are seasons na taglagas, na they have to rest, they have to, wala, kailangan talaga ng pagdaanan yun. Pero it doesn't mean that they've stopped growing. It just means that they're preparing for the next season na mas marami silang bunga, mas marami silang leaves to help more people, para maging shade sa kanila, sa mga tao. And maybe your life is in this season right now. That in between, the part where it looks like walang nangyayari, pero deep inside sa'yo, nag-grow ka. Kasi your roots are getting stronger. Para pag dumating yung next opportunity, you are ready. So if there's one thing I learned from this season, from this time that I felt really stuck sa life, it's that the more I tried to push or to force myself to move, force things na mangyari, the more nafe-feel ko yung pagiging stuck in life. But same goes with what I mentioned on our episode last week. When things started flowing naturally, you trust the timing, to do yung mga bagay na in my control lamang, that's when life started to open up again, because peace attracts progress. And when you're at peace, mas marami kang nagagawa, mas nagiging productive ka. So if you're listening right now and you feel like your life is on a pause, this is your reminder na, huy, keep showing up lang. Okay lang yan. Kasi show up even if when you're tired. Show up even when you don't see any results. Show up because you are being prepared into something bigger. And you're not behind. Pinaprepare ka lang talaga for your next season, for your next version. And when the timing is right, mapapansin mo na lang na makiklik lahat ng actions mo, lahat ng decisions mo, okay siya, na hindi mo kailangang perasahin or pilitin. Ibibigay na lang ni universe yung para sa'yo talaga. So remember that we have different seasons in life, and maybe you're the season of pause. Maybe this season isn't about chasing something. Maybe it's about becoming someone. Brewing a better you through that pause. And as long as you're still showing up, still learning, still breathing, and still trying, you're exactly where you need to be. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, who needs to know that maybe he or she is in the season of pause, share nyo itong episode na ito sa kanya. Then let's continue our conversation on IG, Facebook, TikTok, or Threads. It's Your Life Engineer. And again, this is Riuel, and thank you for sharing this quiet moment with me, this quiet episode. And let's keep brewing a better you. One day, one pause, one lesson at a time. See you in the next episode.